Hi, Professor. My name is JINGBO, and this is my presentation. My title is Sentiment Analysis and Topic Modeling on the Difference in Brand Presentation between Nike and Lululemon. My paper will be structured in 5 parts. Chapter 1 is Introduction. Chapter 2 is Literature Review. Chapter 3 is Methodology. Chapter 4 is resulting and discussion, and chapter 5 is discussion and implementation. First, let me introduce the background of the study. Based on this image, we can see the demand of software is constantly growing. Nike ranks first, holding a leading position, while Lululemon, as a relatively new brand, ranks fourth, showing very rapid growth. Currently, the research still has some limitations. For example, data limitations. Current studies are most focused on single brands. The research methods are also very limited. Furthermore, the integration of sentiment and topic is insufficient. Most articles contact sentiment analysis and topic modeling separately, making it difficult to delve into the specific brand themes associated with different sentiments. Therefore, this paper aims to address this problem. I have 3 research objectives. First, compare the overall emotional tendency and the distribution difference of customers toward Nike and Lululemon through emotional analysis. Second, apply LDA theme modeling to analyze the core themes and the structures that customers pay attention to when discussing Nike and Lululemon. Third, combine emotional analysis and topic modeling results and context cross analysis of emotion theme to compare the emotional drive on the different themes. Based on these 3 research objectives, I have 3 research questions. Question 1, is there a significant difference in the distribution of customers' overall evolution of Nike and Lululemon? Question 2, what core topics do customers pay attention to when discussing Nike and Lululemon? Question 3, result of emotional analysis and topic modeling. What are the structural differences between Nike and Lululemon's brand presentation in topic emotional analysis? This study used English comments about Nike and Lululemon on Twitter as the data source. Sentiment analysis and topic modeling are used to analyze the comment text to identify difference in brand presentation. Next, I will introduce the literature review, which will begin with the following 5 points. 1. The theoretical basis of brand presentation and the customer attitude. 2. The application of emotional analysis in brand and customer research, especially focusing on the phrase of clothing and sportswear. 3. The application of topic modeling in brand and customer research. 4. Research and basic for comparing emotional analysis and topic modeling. 5. Comprehension of the brand identify and the market position of Nike and Lululemon. This table shows a comprehension of some representative studies showing the current state of sentiment analysis research in the apparel industry. Some studies compared the user satisfaction between 2 brands but failed to investigate the reason behind the satisfaction. Some articles studied popular themes for each brand but lacked in-depth discussion of these themes, and some articles explored customers' preferences for footwear brands but did not conduct targeted research on specific brands. Each of these articles has its own advantages and limitations. I have united these shortcomings of current research to provide reliable technological support for this study. This chapter introduces the design and implementation process of this study, including 4 stages: data collection, data processing, sentiment analysis, and topic modeling. This table is an example of the data I calculated, and this label is also an example of my data cleaning process. After cleaning, noise in the text was removed. This study used data the sentiment analysis model and the LDA as the topic modeling model based on topic consistency scores. Nike had five Veda topics and Lululemon had nine. After verification, one noise topic had found in Lululemon and the scores were similar when 8 and 9. Therefore, Lululemon had circulate with 8. Based on this figure, we can see the sentiment analysis result in Lululemon reviews positive sentiment accounted for 14.8%, significant higher than Nike's. This shows Lululemon customers have high overview satisfaction. However, negative sentiment was similar for both brands around 20%. These figures are what clouds representing the positive and negative aspects of Nike and Lululemon. The word clouds suggests that Nike had a clear professional advantage, but its quality issues are a significant drawback, while Lululemon focuses on yoga and the high-end market, but customers hesitate due to its high price. This is the result of Nike's scene molding. Topic 1 is new product launch. Topic 2 is classical and trending. Topic 3 is customer experience. Topic 4 is promotion and customer base. And topic 5 is innovative narrative. These 5 things are the areas that Nike's customers pay the most attention to. This is the result of Lululemon's topic modeling. Topic 1 is product experience and communicate interaction. Topic 2 is brand reputation and the industry landscapes. Topic 3 is the capital market promise. Topic 4 is cooperation and market expansion. Topic 5 is substitute and value. Topic 6 is yoga and life. Topic 7 is brand narrative and business controversy. And topic 8 is cultural influence and dissemination. These 8 topics are the areas that Lululemon customers are most interested in. This table shows the sentiment distribution for each Nike scene, relieving advantages, weakness, and risk. Topic 4 is the most positive, showing customers are more like discounted goods. Topic 2 also shows very high positive sentiment, suggesting customers prefer Nike's classical styles. Topic 1, the most discussed topic, has mixed sentiment, strongly experiencing customer disappointment with Nike's new product launch. Topic 3 has the highest negative sentiment, indicating areas for improvement in Nike's customer experience. This table shows the sentiment distribution for each Lululemon topic, relieving advantage, weakness, and risks. Topic 7 is the most positive, with the brand's history and argument enhancing customers' identify. Topic 2 shows customer acceptance of Lululemon's lifestyle. Topic 1 shows customers are more rational when discussing core products. Topic 5 has the highest negative sentiment, suggesting Lululemon's products are too expensive. By comprehending the topic emotional structure of Nike and Lululemon, we know Nike's positive emotion peak occurs in topic 4. Lululemon's positive emotional peak occurs in topic 7 and 2. Nike's negative emotions are distributed across topic 3 and 1, while Lululemon's negative emotions are highly distributed across in topic 5. Our research revealed a significant difference in customer sentiment towards Nike and Lululemon. Lululemon's positive sentiment was significantly higher than Nike's, showing strong brand equality on social media. Nike, however, showed higher negative sentiment, reflecting the common challenges faced by a mature mass market brand in serving a diverse customer base. Topic modeling revealed the fundamental difference in customer perception between Nike and Lululemon. Nike had only 5 themes, while Lululemon's 8 themes demonstrated a more diverse range of perception. Customers' positive sentiment towards Nike was concentrated on product acceptance, reflecting Nike's calculators as a mature mass market brand. Customers' sentiment towards Lululemon was more complex. This study offers some insights. Nike can improve customer satisfaction by optimizing users' experience, optimization, purchase methods, and strengthening narrative evolution. Lululemon can enhance customer satisfaction by solidifying its core value, expanding partnerships, and strengthening communicated options. Emerging brands can learn from Lululemon's approach, choose a fitable product segment with users to build a core advantage. Established brands should focus more on product development, maintain their advantage, and promoting product quality and service. This study combines sentiment analysis with topic modeling, providing a feasible solution for brand research. Furthermore, the large-scale data enriches the empirical evidence for brand positioning theory. This study also highlights the importance of social media.